What you got? Oh, you got Boo's ball? Uh-oh. Get it. Oh, pick this back up. Uh-oh, Boo. You got it? Oh my God, look at him. He's right underneath her. That's so funny. Be easy, Boo.
Hi, little one. You're so cute.
He's looking for you, Bella. Shut up. Come on, Eli. Eli. What is she doing to you, Eli? Is she beating you up? Easy, Boo. Poor Eli. He's on the bottom. Crazy, crazy, crazy. These are both Kelly's puppies. They're 12 weeks old now. Huge difference in size. One smooth coat, one long coat. A smooth coat's 2 pounds. I'm guessing Fatty over there is probably 3.5, 4. He's gonna be a big guy, just like his mama. He seems to be having so much fun with Boo. Hey, Eli. Easy, Boo. She looks gigantic next to them. Well, next to one. Ready, go, Boo. I could sit here for hours and watch them play. They're so cute. It's nice that Boo's actually getting some playtime with the puppies, being that she missed out on all of that time when she was a baby. So she's learning how to puppy play now. Ooh, good for you, Eli. Don't take any crap from him. You might be tiny, but you're definitely a little mighty boy. Get it. She is crazy. Eli? Are they trampling on you, buddy? What happened, Eli? Eli! What you guys doing? Hello! Hello! Ooh! Get him! Get him! She's such a terror. Boo. Be easy, Boo. He's gonna get you. You tired, Boo? Nope. She's gonna pounce on him. Yep.